like
Typically,
that one.
I like enjoy my food and not just survive it. Oh man. Oh.
Hi, welcome to Planet on Fire, where we ask fiery questions and get fiery answers.
Today we are joined by Jeremiah Watson, General Manager at Planet Honda. Jeremiah has been with Planet for 3 years, and just last month he was promoted to lead the Planet Honda store. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
And congratulations.
Thanks.
How did you prepare for today's challenge?
I spent my whole life preparing for today's challenge, as you can see. So
No.
I think I'm pretty well equipped.
We like it.
Are you ready to take the heat?
1 second. I brought something with me to help me
Ooh, you got it.
help me cowboy up.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I'm ready.
Now,
Now
okay,
ready.
into character.
Yep. Good.
All right.
Okay.
First one.
Okay, let's do the first
All
one.
right.
So the first one, the easiest one,
This
obviously.
is like
My hands are
regular
shaking.
sauce. Ooh.
Wait.
All right.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
All right.
I like this one. Yeah.
So we went
It's
with
easy.
the marinating the things in the sauce this time instead of just dripping.
Exactly.
All right.
So sometimes people's lives can change, in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
And your career changed overnight. 1 week you were general sales manager, and the next thing you know, you became a general manager. Tell us
Yeah.
about that experience.
Yeah, it's like drinking water through a fire hose.
What about the experience when you found out, though?
Oh, it was really exciting. It was pretty funny because Jamie, our COO, he texted me and said, "Hey, can you meet tomorrow and discuss details and pay plans?" And this was after we interviewed, and I said, "Does that mean I got the job?" And then he immediately called me and goes, "Yeah, sorry about that. You got the job." So now we can talk just details. So it was really funny.
Nice.
Yeah,
Wow.
it was a good time.
So with that, what would you tell your younger self then?
Oh, good question. Be patient, and don't take yourself too seriously.
And we know you don't.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Obviously.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. You should wear that every day too.
If I could get away with it, I probably would.
In your ridge line,
Yeah,
cruising.
that's right. That's right.
all right. Next
Next
week.
one.
Next. All right.
Okay. We're doing pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this one's good too.
Ooh, got like a mango flavor.
Yeah. Real nice flavor.
Not very hot yet.
How's that?
So just you wait.
My goal is to no water, no milk, no bread. Just gonna go for it.
The real rancher way.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good way.
Okay.
So, some fellow employees here like to think that you're the jokester of the company. Tell us about a time when you played a prank on someone, whether it was at work or at home or anywhere.
One of my favorite pranks I've done is we used to record all of our transactions in the finance department. And so one of my coworkers had his video camera rolling. Well, we took, those the hole punch, like what's left from a hole punch. We took about 10,000 of those, folded it in a piece of paper, and taped it to a cabinet door that we knew he'd be opening while with a customer. And so we taped it there. He opened it and it looked like a snow globe in his office. He was finding those things forever. It was great. And the customer just thought it was the funniest thing ever. So that's some of my best work.
Hey,
That is good work.
Yeah.
it sounds like the joke that was just played on John,
Yeah.
but now you are getting the ending of it where you're finding all the confetti everywhere.
Yeah. He didn't clean up after himself at all. So
Yeah.
thanks, John.
And I think the business office, they're starting to take notes, starting to, like, all right, what are we going to do next with him? So,
Listen, I'm not a very smart man, but I know who to fight with and who not to. I will not be picking a fight with the business office. I know better.
We're gonna make a pact.
I'm Switzerland with them. I'm not willing to take them on.
all right, on to the next wing.
All right.
I don't know where to bite this one.
Really good.
Yeah, it's a good one. A little smokier.
Just the beginning.
Really good.
10 wings is a lot, just to eat,
Yep.
I think.
Not when you haven't had lunch yet.
Yeah.
The show Yellowstone has been very popular. Is that why you bought your ranch? Tell us about your ranch, Jeremiah.
Well, it's been my dream since I grew up in the country,
Okay.
and
Where from?
Ohio, next to cornfields and stuff. So it's always been my dream to live out on property. I always say I wanted a house where I could go out on the back porch butt naked and shoot something. So
That's. I don't know what that is.
we got that. It's 6 acres in Sedalia and mountain views. It's gorgeous.
And are you
We love
living
it.
your dream?
Yeah.
Well, not that specific part of it yet.
You haven't done that yet.
No, but the ability is there. The choice is there. That's the important thing. So, yeah.
All right.
Sounds like Yellowstone to me. We need to do a party there.
Yeah. We will.
Okay.
For sure.
Next season.
Okay, this is where it's going to start kicking
A
in.
little. It feels good.
That last one was,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get a little heat.
yeah, it
It's
feels
like,
good.
woo.
It's nice.
Yeah.
All right, this one.
Wait, which one are
This
we on?
one is the Las Calientes.
That means the hot ones,
Yeah.
I believe.
Nice.
Smoky. That's really good.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going in good too.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
I can't fight that.
You're next.
Oh, well. I'm enjoying these. All right. Oh, yeah, that one. That one's gonna get there. I did too
getting
much. There's a lot of don't you dare laugh at me. I'm supposed to laugh at you. There's a lot of competition that goes on here, including foot races. Not too long ago, you were involved in one.
Yeah.
In fact, one of our insider sources provided this video of it.
Oh, come on, really? Yeah, that's
Do you
me.
remember that moment?
I was trailing and I tried to make a surge and then I fell. Yep, up the stairs.
And how'd you feel?
Yeah, tell us more about that.
Yeah, what was that?
I didn't feel great. And the worst part about it is I knew as soon as it happened that somebody was going to go find the surveillance footage and share it with people. I knew it as soon as it happened. And then yesterday, I did the same thing.
I was going to say, Jeremiah, this is your life. And from yesterday,
I really did. I fell up the stairs, recovered a little bit, and then fell up again. They're very steep,
What is up the stairs?
steep stairs.
Well,
I was thinking about the hot wing challenge, and I got distracted.
he
And,
has rancher legs.
so
That's just
I can
usually,
lift lots of things,
just
but-
rolling hills. He's not used to these steps in city life.
Yeah.
Maybe now, like whenever you do fall, you should just like own it. Just like start crawling up the stairs.
Yeah.
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 I'm sure you'll get some looks.
Yeah. I mean, I definitely did the look around.
You didn't just keep running with it like joking.
No, I didn't roll out of it like Frank did in his race.
We might find that video.
All right, this next one is not our favorite, but we are curious to see what you have to think about this one.
This is number 5.
Yep.
The last one was hot. I'm
Yeah, I'm
feeling it a little
feeling
bit.
it.
Yeah.
Like, I'm getting a little burpy.
That's
Yay.
valid.
All right.
All right, ready?
Oh, do we have to?
Yep.
I don't like this one.
I don't think I got very much of it on this.
That's a good thing.
Here.
Oh, there it is. I mean, it just tastes like oil right now.
Like fish. It's like a. I'm not gonna describe it. Like a
How's it
dead
cooked?
fish.
So
I don't
here
know
at
why I did
Planet,
it.
we like to recognize and thank the work and dedication of, the employees and stuff like that. It's a lot of barbecues and what have you. What's been one of your favorite ways to do this as a leader and a manager?
Yeah, good question. So after we moved out to our new place last fall, took all the sales managers from.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
This doesn't look
Don't touch
pretty.
that water.
Yeah, we invited all the sales managers from the Honda store and the Hyundai store over to camp out overnight at our place.
Whoa.
And so they set up their campers and stuff, and we just sat around the campfire and hung out. And we're gonna do that again this year, so we'll expand the party a little bit. It'll be really fun.
That'd be so fun.
Yeah, it's good to just get away.
What kind of games did you play at your little Yellowstone ranch? And what is the name of your
say-
ranch?
The name of my ranch is 6W's Ranch because there's 6 Watsons.
Oh,
So
nice.
6W's.
that's awesome.
And what kind of games do we play there?
At
your retreat.
Yeah.
I mean, they're mostly like,
Horseshoes?
I'd say it's more like sitting around and drinking beer.
No rope.
Call that a game.
No rope.
Yeah, no, we didn't play any like cowboy games or anything like that.
Rodeo. Did you just say that?
Roping.
No roping.
Well, we can play rodeo.
We'll get you running out. All
All right.
Is this the part in the wings where you all start slipping a little bit?
This is when you start hallucinating
Yeah,
a bit
yeah.
and you just say random things.
All right.
Okay, we are on to the next, the hottest ones.
That last one is weird because you can't really even tell it when you're eating it, but it creeps
gets
up
ya.
on you.
It creeps up
Okay.
and then it gives you like a weird, I have a weird fog going on.
Yeah, my eyes are watering a
Yeah,
little
I
bit.
feel out of it. Okay.
I feel like I'm doing a lot better than last time.
This one's number
Okay.
6, and it's got a little yellowness to it.
That's a little, or as
Yeah,
Frank
it
called
doesn't-
it, baby booty.
Yeah. Oh, this one's brutal. I remember this one.
Yeah, we're starting to get there on this one.
We're getting there.
It's good though. All of them taste good, I think.
I don't know, that one wasn't too great.
I like
Typically, I
that one.
like to enjoy my food and not just survive it.
Wow. Okay. Ooh. It's still in my mouth. Can I have some water? I have to ask you first. Will I even do this? All right. You have worked for a different. You have worked for different dealerships. I can't even do this.
Yeah, it's hot.
Planet Automotive is unique in that it's still family owned rather than corporate owned.
Yeah.
How has that made a difference for you? Oh my god. Chip time. No, Brett, chip.
I mean, I think it's made all the difference. I think because it's really I don't know that I'd work at a corporate environment because there's a sense of belonging. You work with a family organization. There's a sense of greater purpose, of legacy, of building something bigger than yourself, not just kind of plugging into the corporate machine.
Yeah.
So I really appreciate that fact. And I think the Paynes do a good job of communicating that to their employees with the Christmas,
do.
with the Christmas party and just a little the food trucks and just all the little things that they do.
They do. And we just had a pancake food truck, which was delicious.
Yeah,
Some of the
that was
best
awesome.
pancakes ever.
That was really good.
In which, Jeremiah, you were known for this part of it, but in a manager meeting, I had brought up that we're doing a pancake. Oh my god.
All you can eat pancakes.
Yeah, all you can eat. Thank you. All you can eat pancakes. And what did he say?
I said exactly what do you mean by all you can eat?
Yeah. I said anything.
Yeah. I mean, I was reserved. I only had like 3, I think.
3 plates. Which...
No.
Oh, okay.
Pancakes. 3 pancakes.
Wow.
Yeah.
I had 4. They were good.
Yeah, my family came and put some down, so
Yeah.
it was pretty good.
Really nice.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Eyes are watering.
All right, don't touch your eyes though. You got some
Well,
paper
he's got a
towels
little
right here.
protectiveness with his glasses.
So what's the degree that these are going to get hotter after this?
We're going up to almost 2 million.
2 million.
2 million. What's
Decibels.
500,000?
It's Scovilles, I think, host of the show.
You're telling us.
All right, on to the next swing. All right.
Next one.
Here we go.
I'm sweating.
Here we go.
freezing.
This next one is Cosmic Disco.
Yeah, this.
No. This one again. Oh, no.
You're doing the wrong one.
No, so there's sesame in this one. She can't eat sesame, so she got double
Oh.
that one. Well,
Gotcha.
this one's gonna be hot too.
Okay, get ready.
Yeah. Oh. I'm eating the whole thing. I just want you guys to witness this.
Oh man.
All right, I will too.
she's on
I'll join you.
there.
But so today's 2/23/23.
That's your job.
Yeah. It
gets in
seeps
there.
into like your gums.
Okay.
Want to do more? So today,
I'm with you. Go ahead.
today's 2/23/23, and some people are superstitious about like numbers and
Yeah.
putting it on socks a certain way, that type of stuff. Do you have any superstitions and anything that has to do with the auto industry for you? Selling cars?
Yeah. So when you sell a car, you write the information about the deal on the board, and you cannot do that in red. It's just like against the rules.
What about using the term slinging metal?
Yeah, I actually really like that term.
Why don't you say it for us with
It was
your
forbidden.
hat on?
Slinging metal.
It's his tagline.
Yeah, it just means like, we're just getting some momentum. We got some cars going down the road. Putting dreams in driveways.
All right. On to the next one.
I wish I could wipe my eyes.
You said
Okay. No.
you want a little water.
I got some milk on my eyes. All right.
Oh, be careful. Be careful.
I'm using my right hand.
All right, on to the next one.
Okay.
Hot. It's hot.
Oh my goodness. There's a lot of sauce on it. I don't know if you can zoom in, but
Okay, ready? Here we
it's a
go.
lot of sauce, dude.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Ready? Go for it.
Listen, Michelle, I'm going.
Not fast enough. Oh, I inhaled that. Oh my god. Ooh, I got all the senses. Did you?
They should do like a Hot Ones
Oh,
After Dark, where it's like the aftermath 3 hours after you do Hot Ones and film that and see how we're feeling.
selfies.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. Yeah, listen here.
I'm gonna ask her questions.
Yeah, these are
No. Ow. It's like a fire.
drink the milk.
I don't have milk.
Here you can have fun.
She can't drink milk.
Jeez, keep it together.
It's under my tongue.
Oh, dude, this is really hot.
It does hurt the back.
Oh my god.
I gotta finish this.
I don't think I can.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Oh, dear God.
Let's practice some
It's worse than
meditation.
last time.
You said you were doing better than last time.
Yeah, we said that early.
Oh, man. That's rough. Like, all you armchair quarterbacks out there. This is hard.
All right.
It's a good.
Oh, I got the hiccups.
Good duck. Okay, I'm gonna say it really
I got
fast.
the hiccups starting.
Okay, just listen.
Oh, man.
No. Okay. Your dad and dads are known to have dad jokes. Can you tell us one?
For those who didn't hear that,
I'm a dad. Dads have dad jokes. Can you tell us one? Yeah. My favorite one's a knock-knock joke.
Okay.
It works a little differently than most of them, though, so. And this one you actually start, so you start.
Knock knock.
Who's there? See, that's why it's funny. You literally have a booger hanging out of your nose right now. Oh, that's awesome. Do not edit that out. That was fantastic. That was awesome.
I didn't have any napkins. I had too many things to do. And that was the last priority.
all right. We have two more.
I see a tear.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if I can.
Oh, that's sweat. Wait, is it
No,
a tear
it's
or
a
sweat?
combo. It's a combo.
Oh my god. Oh.
My tears are crying. Okay.
We have two more.
I know.
Oh, God.
And we have like 8 more weeks of this.
We might need some more bread.
Okay.
breath.
All right, we're on to the next one. Ready?
Yep, no.
All right. What's this
I think we
one?
might need more water.
This is brutal. Unique garlic.
All right.
Oh my mercy,
God.
my. Okay, eat it faster. Go. Oh, it's on my lip. I just like want to sprint out of this building.
I feel like this is more legit than like the Hot Ones show because we gotta go to work after this.
Yeah,
We still have to actually function today.
yeah, we do.
What time are we here till?
Talk to people.
We're here till 8 tonight.
I'm feeling. How are you guys feeling? What?
This one's not bad.
Yeah.
Not as bad as the last one. It will be in a second, I'm sure.
So the emotions
But the emotions.
that are running through your head right now.
Oh, with the wings?
Yeah.
You know, my legs are going a little numb. Not that that's an emotion, but
I mean,
Part of it is.
really, I realize why they do this. It's kind of hard to like process spots.
I
Do
don't
I have any
know.
boogers hanging out of my nose, Emily? You should.
Yeah, you actually do.
All right. All right.
So Jeremiah, you have a Traeger.
You do.
Love to smoke?
Mhm.
What's your favorite meat to smoke? What's the name of your Traeger?
It's called 6W Smokehouse. What's the name
Stick
of
to
it?
the 6 W's. Okay.
I like Nacho Mama's meatloaf. It's like just a big meatloaf with. It's just really good on the Traeger smoked.
Anything special about it? I mean, it says not your mama's.
It's just smoked, so it's
smoked.
better. Yeah. I like pulled pork. I'll do a little pork shoulder. That's pretty good.
That's good.
Chicken wings.
What did you make for your retreat?
We actually, we did steaks. It was amazing. So the dealership bought really nice T-bones. And so I had like 15 T-bones going all at the same time, and I marinated them overnight and then smoked them on the Traeger. It's got a really nice bottle of whiskey to go with it.
Yeah, we're definitely doing that.
That was a good time,
after
for
this.
sure. Sit
right.
by the fire, tell stories.
Guys, we're on our last wing. We did it.
I swear number 8 was hotter than number 9.
Let's have a cheer. A toast, rather.
Toast. Cheers from far away. Cross contamination. Thanks for wearing the flannel shirts too. With the
This is an
country
honor of you.
You got milk, a little milk on your shirt there.
Yeah.
Nice work.
We got milk, we got wings.
All right, here we go.
Perfect. Good job. We did it. Almost.
Yeah.
Last dap, Apollo. It's called.
The last breath. It's death.
It just tastes like heat.
Yeah,
Like,
my tongue. It feels like it's not there.
So Jeremiah, we have the meats. Just do it. You're in good hands. All catchy phrases. What's your go-to catchphrase? What's your slogan for
know,
Jeremiah?
one of the things I've always lived by, I try to say often is free food tastes better. Because it teaches you to, free food tastes better. It teaches you to be thankful for the things that you're given, you know? So that's probably mine.
I like it. All right. And
If you don't know what just heat tastes like, it tastes like this. Like, doesn't have flavor. It tastes like if you took fire and made it liquid, put it on
Yes.
a wing, it just tastes like heat. Like,
It's like someone just lit a match in your
oh
mouth.
my gosh.
and what advice do you have for our next person that's going to be doing this, Mr. Jamie Payne?
Ooh. I don't know. Chew slowly, I guess. I don't know.
Isn't that worse?
Well, because if you take, I think if it goes down too fast, you start choking, and then it's all over. But I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Well, you did a great job.
Yeah.
We appreciate you taking the time to do this, enjoying the wings with us, letting us get to know you a little bit more, letting everyone get to know you a little bit more.
Yeah.
The town is on
Appreciate
fire.
So much.
So much.
We want to
too.
do this for anyone.
Thanks everyone for joining us. We appreciate it, and thanks for watching us suffer.